I saw
इसके
the
लाइट पड़ रहा
beautiful
है।
temples, the beautiful palaces, and I came up with the idea of shooting something in India, which finally was able to be done. With India, with Bollywood, you know, but I didn't know exactly what to write about, and one day I came up with the idea, why not to talk about a magical place. India has a lot of beautiful places to visit, and at the same time, there is a love story. A mystery of a man will make it sound more interesting and more commercial at the same time. So that is how the Hasmine was born.
Do you have any earlier connection with India, such any family members or
Hero लग रहा है।
No, just friends. I don't have any relatives here in India. I have only friends. When I started to watch Bollywood, I really like the style. I really like how creative it is, all the colors that you use, the music. So I'm so happy that I was finally able to do something like this.
Although many foreign nationals are coming to India, and making the mark in Bollywood, but do you think it's easy or difficult to make a mark over here?
Well, actually, I think that the Indian public is very generous because I have been in India for modeling jobs and I haven't done anything very successful yet. But whatever I have done, people want to be in touch with me. They want to know who I am. They text me on my Facebook. They send me messages on my Instagram. So I really think that the fact that I shot a video inspired in the Indian culture, they will like it. They will like to hear how come I decided to do this. They would like to know more about it. And it is like my chance to be in touch with the Indian market for the first time.
You were great had no Bollywood actors can match your height as well. So do you think it will be a plus point or something, it will be a bigger challenge for you to getting it?
Well, actually, to be honest, I'm a very persistent person. I have never got things easy in my life. Everything I have done, modeling, whatever I have done, it has been difficult. I have been in cities that are very difficult, very competitive. So it will be a difficult challenge, of course, but I would like to take that challenge.
And what kind of role do you want to play in the future, and what kind of, what knowledge of you have put in the film industry? Do you know any big stars, or have you met any stars?
Yes, I know that personally. I have met Deepika Padukone, Shah Rukh Khan, Sonam Kapoor, and Salman Khan. I have personally met them, and it was a good experience to be able to talk to them and share experiences. I know many other actors that I have seen. I have watched a lot of Bollywood films. And of course, I would like to get an opportunity to act in a Bollywood film. I guess it will have to be the role of a foreigner visiting India and falling in love with the culture. I would love to do something like that. Just like the Hasmai's story, it's a foreigner that comes to India. She meets this guy, he's very simple, very sweet person, and there is a magical place, and there is also a shy guy who has feelings for her in a very short time, something that doesn't happen nowadays. So that's why she's so happy and she's dreaming to be back in this beautiful place.
And lastly speaking, is Bollywood only the dream for you, or something you would want to do?
Sir?
Well, actually, I would like to do stuff also with music, if it's possible, of course, to get involved in a Bollywood film with the music part, like writing a song or singing with singers over here. For me, it would be a very good experience if it's possible to do that.
जो वेस्टर्न ट्रीटमेंट, इंडियन ट्रीटमेंट को आपने मिस किया, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? और जो इन्वेंशन किया आपने फ्रॉम मैक्सिको में, क्या कहना चाहेंगे मैम के बारे में?
जी, ये सबसे पहले बताना चाहूँगा कि ये एक पहला इंडो स्पेनिश गाना है जो इंडिया में लॉन्च हुआ है, और इसका आधा पार्ट जो है इन्होंने मैक्सिको में शूट किया, और जो आधा पार्ट है वो हमने राजस्थान में शूट किया, जिसकी लाइन प्रोड्यूसर रेबेका चंगीजा है, एंड विलेज जी इज द सिनेमेटोग्राफर फॉर दिस वीडियो। तो ये हमने टोंक के आसपास जाके शूट किया था, और जब इन्होंने स्टोरी बनाई तो इसमें काफ़ी कुछ अभी एडिटिंग में था नहीं। ये आती हैं और कुछ लोग पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, फिर ये हीरो उनको बचाता है। तो एक लंबा चौड़ा गाना था, लेकिन बाद में फिर शायद एडिटिंग में उन्होंने उस पोर्शन को नहीं रखा।
What was the bigger challenge to make this album as such, this video as such? What do you have to say about it? Is it going to be a classic kind of thing, very different from other?
Actually, challenging in since it was very welcoming for us because Rebecca, she's a very dear friend, old friend, and when she, share about her, vision to do something, extraordinary in India. So that itself was very interesting, and we thoroughly enjoyed, and we got to learn lots of things from her also. And the location was marvelous. For me, at least, that was the first time I went to Rajasthan as well. So, yes, the dictions that we use, the pronunciations that we use, and then the idea that she has, that was actually marvelous.
Have you made this album for a global audience, because it doesn't look like it's just for the Indian people?
Of course, of course.
And so what do you say about
She is a very good singer, model and actress. हमने एक पिक्चर भी बनाई थी, वो अभी पूरी नहीं हुई है, उसमें she has acted also. And जब ये उन्होंने गाने का उन्होंने पहले भेजा, इनफैक्ट यहाँ पे मनीष जी हैं, उन्होंने कोरस में भी he has given his voice in the male voice, वो भी शायद यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं. And फिर उसको हमने यहाँ ला के कुछ मिक्सिंग किया, और जब वो ये आइडिया जनरेट हुआ तो मेरे एक फ्रेंड है यसर भाई जो राजस्थान के, तो हमने बोला ये जैसलमेर में चाह रही थी कि जैसलमेर उसमें वर्ड आया हुआ है, एंड शी वांटेड कि वहाँ जाके किए, तो हमने ड्रोन वगैरह ये सब यूज़ करके जो पॉसिबल था, तो हर आइडियाज़ वर वेरी यूनिक. इनका डिफरेंट है बिकॉज शी इज़ फ्रॉम अब्रॉड, तो इनका थिंकिंग और हमारे थिंकिंग में काफ़ी डिफरेंस है, एंड वो एडिटिंग में भी दिखता है. बिकॉज जो हम व्हेन वी डिसाइडेड टू शूट, तो काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें जो थी जो इसमें नहीं आई, लेकिन जो बना है दैट वी आर वेरी हैप्पी विद द एंड प्रोडक्ट.
तंदूर हो गया
किधर से और इंडियन और एक्सपेल, तो आई थॉट कि चलो देखते हैं शायद कुछ नया होगा. और जब हम लोगों ने गाने को शूट करना शुरू किया, गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंसेस विद आवर करेक्टर, एक्टर एंड सिंगर्स. उनके साथ काम करना एक बिल्कुल अलग एक्सपीरियंस था. एक होता है कि ठीक है एक एक्टर है तो उसके साथ फटाफट हम लोग कर लेते हैं, बट जब खुद वो सिंगर हो तो उसके साथ काम करना बहुत अलग चीज़ हो जाती है. हम लोगों ने जब शूट किया और ऐसे लोकेशन पे और ऐसी कंडीशन में शूट किया कि हम लोग बता नहीं सकते हैं, बट आई रियली इन्जॉय. और मज़ा आया इनके साथ काम करने में डेफिनेटली. कि जो इनका हमारे साथ हम सोच रहे थे कि शायद मेलजोल ना बन पाए, बट ओवरऑल जो प्रोजेक्ट निकल के आया उसमें हमारे मुताबिक हमें बड़ी खुशी है कि एक अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट बन के आया.
And lastly, sir mentioned that your thought process was different and such. Regarding making the album as such, so what do you have to say about it? How much freedom sir gave you to make the album?
Well, the album is not finished yet. I have 4 songs ready. We are working the production of all the songs. My concept is basically a mix of live instruments with electronic sounds. And if you hear Rahazamaya has that, the only thing is that the live instruments in the song, they are Indian sounds. So regarding your question that you were asking if this song could be for global audience, this is actually the idea. The idea is to reach a global audience. The idea is them to appreciate what there is in India, not only talking about locations, but also talking about the style, the sounds, that this country has a lot to give. So in this video, I think there is a possibility to share all that.
Are you looking forward to work in the future as well, in other projects as well?
I'm open to work in other projects, of course, and I appreciate the fact that they accepted to be part of this project, because there was more heart and dedication than anything else. So it was just, we had ideas and other people started to accept being part of it, and everybody embraced it and everybody was happy. Finally can see the result, and I'm so grateful with all of that as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.